get a measurement. This is my folding rule. I'm using my folding rule because for me, I prefer it as a perfect one for me when I'm measuring. Okay, so I have to get the inside measurement, which is almost 19 millimeters. Even outside is the same 19 what? Millimeters. So I get the same 19 millimeters and measure my pipe. Okay. So measuring my pipe, I measure like this. This is the inset which will be going inside. So I use a wraparound. A wraparound can be anything that can be folded and you mark.
But it should have a straight edge, huh?
Yes. Those are supposed to be bent. Okay? So meaning that once I'm done with my marking, the marking is supposed to be accurate. The marking is supposed to be what? Accurate. Meaning that when it is heated, I should not go beyond the mark. Altogether. So when inserting, I should not go beyond the mark. Alright? So now, my welding machine is ready. How am I going to know that my welding machine is ready? Because it is giving you the red what? The red color. So that is heated, but it's very low. There's a mark here, okay? So let me put at the 200. Let me put at the 200. Okay, it will change because at the lot here it was 150. Now I put at this. It will still come up. It will give me the light red when it's red. Okay, so let me wait for a bit. Do you have any question? Any question? So what I'm doing here is a setting period or setting what? Time. And now I'm waiting for the machine, my welding machine to do what? To be ready. Okay? Okay. Okay, instead of waiting, maybe let me just go for 150. You can even see the smoke now coming out, meaning that the machine is
it's ready.
Okay,
Yeah.
now it's ready.
Yeah.
My welding machine is what?
It's ready.
So I have to stand like this. I should not do like this. So where safety is concerned, it's avoided, isn't it?
Sure, because
Otherwise you can injure yourself.
sure come and board it.
Now, where is my female and my male that side?
Male in this one.
The male is this side. So
Yes.
my elbow will be this side. And my pipe will be this side. That's where my socket is. So I have to be pushing. So this is now waiting time. So after that, then I'm done. So this joint cannot be removed. If I check inside, my joint is perfect. My joint is what? Perfect. So this is the beading. As you can see, a small line is remaining. Is it okay?
Yes.
Okay. So if I want to join another fitting, or maybe let me join a reducer so that I reduce the diameter from 3/4 to ½ inch. I do the same. Meaning now, I have to do the same.
But you should make sure you put on gloves as well doing this. The gloves are finished.
Okay. So my joint here is not perfect because I delayed. Because of like Kachapek and people start cooling. So meaning that now I have reduced from 3/4 to ½ inch. Okay?
And make sure don't twist.
Don't twist it. Okay, meaning now I have to change the matrix. I have to change the what? Matrix of the former. So instead of using the same 3/4, now I've changed the diameter. So I have to use half inch. Okay? So half inch also need to do what? To be mounted. All together. The half inch also need to do what? To be mounted. Okay? So that's how we deal with this PPR. Now, instead of damaging a lot of materials, I want two people to just to demonstrate, everyone to demonstrate.
Yes.
Because I'm not going to give you something to do very complicated. No, just to demonstrate. You cut, you join. Even this can be joined. You can continue from here.
Yes, yes.
This can be, you can continue from there, isn't it? Yeah, so now since I'm done, and my machine is already, my job is done, so I have just to switch it off. Okay? Yeah. So I have just to remove my plug there. Waiting for the machine to cool.
So can it be a switch pause me?
No, believe me.
Hey.
So this one, don't put in the box the way it is. It's still hot. Otherwise you damage the what? The cable. You got a line? Yes. Yeah, wait it until it is cool. Out together? Yes. Okay, so any question before we start the demonstrations?
So even changing the matrices, you have to wait until it is picked out.
If you have the gloves that cannot allow kids to wash, then you can use it. Now if you look at you have the gloves that is plastic also. Those are giant. I don't know what kind of gloves are those. It's rubber.
Nyara baya. Was that?
Dangerous.
Was
So
that
the
wrong?
glove that you normally use here
Was that new?
is leather. Is what? Leather, not plastic. Muzaki yakufimanja. Okay? So I think this is the end of my first presentation. So what is that needed is you now to perform. You should do what? Perform. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Welcome.